Here we go again, no rest for the weary. So, this has been going on all day, nothing's happened. Last night I was woken all night by this. And I pray nothing happens. Told them stage here for disaster right here. And people are just laxed here. It's amazing. I get it. They're in the war zone. But in my head, I just still can't process this, man. Everything going on. I'd literally seen yesterday, God bless her, a brand new mother with a brand new baby, a week old out here. They're just cruising around. And unfortunately, this is how people get killed. And I hope not, for their sake. What are you gonna do? I need to catch incoming daylight. Hopefully they're being cowardly, shooting everything at night mainly. Daytime too, but yeah, it happens so fast here. At night that you just literally cannot capture it. Same thing, I'm trying to get my GoPro out here. And it's the same deal. And I am making actually a documentary here. Probably try to put it out after the war, but yeah, I just can't show stuff, but I have it for my record. It's a beautiful day out. Same thing, luckily nothing's happening. Says, let's see, well, I won't even give it away, but there's been many sirens all day, all night. Alrighty guys, have a good one. That's it. Same thing, stayed here for disaster. Tired fireman, medic. That's all I'm doing is just waiting, and I pray it don't happen, but all this here and every building around here is just a sitting duck, literally. Alright, have a good day. Bye.